experts. We're all stuck inside. That means more and more people are taking their wallets online. And this presents a golden opportunity. Online stores are making more money than ever. That's why if you've ever thought of owning your own online store, there's never been a better time than the present. That's because complete beginners with absolutely no knowledge of ecom are making thousands of dollars every single day. Meaning it would be absolutely crazy not to take a slice of this $5 trillion industry for yourself. The big problem is that until now, creating your own ecom business has been a major headache. You've either got to be super tech savvy or an absolute design whiz. Or you've got to spend a bunch of money up front to find someone who is. Either way, it's a nightmare for beginners. So we got to work designing a perfect application that would allow us to create profitable ecom sites in just a few clicks. The type of sites that people buy from every single day, ready to make you money with just a few clicks of your mouse. Plus, we wanted to be able to create beautiful storefronts in an instant without any design or technical skills needed. Lastly, we wanted to be able to accept payments effortlessly through this system so that our sales go straight into our bank accounts. The secret weapon that beginner marketers are using to make huge profits is finally here. Introducing Smarty Builder. This groundbreaking smart technology delivers you the ecom business you always wanted without any of the baggage. And best of all, it works with just a few simple steps. With Smarty Builder, there's no complicated store building. Thanks to the smart technology, you let the app do all the heavy lifting for you, leaving you to enjoy all the riches your new business can bring. This is perfect for those who want to create a profitable income but don't know where to start. Other beginner marketers are making millions from ecom, and now you'll have everything you need to replicate their success, even as a complete beginner with no prior ecom knowledge or experience. How does making an additional $500 a day sound? Where you also get to keep 100% of every sale. Would you make a small one-time investment to make that happen? With Smarty Builder, you'll finally have the profitable online business you always dreamed of. You can then quit the day job, live the laptop lifestyle, or spend more time with your family. The choice is now yours. If you've been searching for something that is ideal for beginners, and once set up will pay you again and again, then this is your lucky day. If you truly want to see all of what Smarty Builder can do for you and your bank account, go ahead and scroll down and view the demo below along with all the details on this page. And don't forget that since Smarty Builder is 100% cloud-based, there's absolutely nothing to install. This means you can start using it in the next 5 minutes without any hassle. So if you're ready to cash in on this serious money-making opportunity, make sure you get access to Smarty Builder today. But you will need to hurry, because right now, Smarty Builder is only available at this special discounted price for a limited time. Once the clock runs out on this page, you'll be forced to pay a higher price or even pay a monthly fee. But you can avoid all of that and start collecting ecom profits right away with just one small-time investment in Smarty Builder today. So go ahead and scroll down now to get access. And once you do, we'll get your account set up immediately so you too can start your own ecom online empire that will pay you for years to come. Get access now.